The program is broken down into two main parts. Part 1, weeks 1 through 3, is a coding bootcamp where you'll become more familiar with the concepts behind Python and learn to code. You will learn by doing. No prior programming experience is required because the course is designed for absolute beginners.
The second part of the program, weeks 4 through 8, is dedicated to applications for business. How to connect to APIs, scrape data from websites, and access and analyze large volumes of data efficiently and effectively. And this is where this program really stands out from others you may see in the market. The focus is on practical business applications to help you become more informed, more self-sufficient, and make better decisions. We'll make the language come to life by working on a case study based on real-life business problems, specifically those faced by a restaurant group called Dig In, with locations across New York City and Boston. We'll analyze over 2.5 million simulated sales transactions using Python, a task that would cripple Excel.
You'll become fluent in the language of Python, meaning you'll be able to use it to solve complex or time-consuming problems quickly and easily.